As the Ukrainian drone army is essential for Ukraine's success, their skill and intel can be seen every day. As seen here again with a Ukrainian drone spotting a Russian Zala drone in the air. As the Ukrainian drone starts following it, the drone lands with a parachute and is retrieved by the ground crew, which lets the Ukrainian drone to spot the control station, giving away a much more valuable target than the drone itself, making the Ukrainian drone operator to call in a precision GMLRS rocket strike, showing the combination of good surveillance, intel and precision weaponry, taking out several targets with a single hit, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.